coaches there.
Once again, this is a boxing bout, 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, he is representing Banks Kickboxing and Boxing. His name is Iron the Punisher.
Yeah, they both look like they mean business here.
And in the red corner, he is representing Undisputed Fight Academy. His name is Sam Barber. The medics are at the ready. It's about to go down.
Both fighters looking ready here.
Yeah, both in the middle of the ring. Both touch gloves.
Here we go.
Round 1.
Oh!
Yep. Sam got caught early on there with a big shot.
Big shots there. Good to see Sam Barber. Back up though.
Yeah, it just shows when you're both going in there to fight, it's going to happen. Yeah, he was straight over to make sure he was okay.
Guys, please make some noise for these.
Yeah, Sam's smiling.
Yo, I'm telling you, that was a fight right there. Big shots. And your winner, by way of knockout, is in the blue corner, Iron the Punisher.
Yeah, that was a good shot landed there.